Guys, and I'm on the silver USD 1 hour chart, and I'm looking to enter a trade. Now, a power group of retail traders are setting their sights on silver, so I'm looking to take advantage of that and to see what Tradeonix tells me about when to get into this trade. Now, you can see that most of my indicators are pointing upwards, green here and here. So we have a setup in the making at the moment for a buy trade. So hopefully within the next few candles, the trend will continue rising, going up, and these indicators will confirm an entry for me. So until that happens, I'll just pause the video and hopefully we'll see an entry quite soon. So let me just pause the video for now. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see, I've just entered here at the close of this signal candle. So my entry is here, and my stop loss goes below the most recent swing low. And all the indicators are very strongly indicating an uptrend. I decided then to enter a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade here. So my stop loss is around 150 pips, and my target is around 300 pips. So it's a big trade, but we'll see how this plays out by using this Tradeonix system. I'm going to pause the video and come back and have a look in a short while. Okay, so I'm back, and we've got a hugely successful trade here. You can see our entry point is here, this candle. That shows our take profit and our stop loss, which was never in any danger. The trend continued going up, and we can see all indicators are still green, so it will likely continue. However, I've exited the trade. Let's just measure this. From entry to exit, 292 pips. Fantastic trade, really, and took full advantage of the news in the markets. Let's see how long it took to play out. 24 hours. These are 1 hour candles. Great result. $2,918 in the bag. Thank you.